haven't you?
Absolutely.
All right, well, I'm going to ask you a question. If a car has a red fender and a blue door, what is that?
Clunker?
And how much is a clunker worth?
$4,500 for your trade.
And what if the car does not run?
No restrictions,
What if the car gets towed in?
Drag it in, tow it in, walk it in, doesn't matter.
And there's the big question. To qualify, what qualifies for a clunker?
Any car.
Any car?
Any car.
A Daewoo?
Daewoo.
A Suzuki?
Yep, any car, no restrictions.
You making me so proud. You makes me so proud. One of my top students. AAA plus. That girl is fine. I'm gonna see you later on, but you're doing a heck of a job. I'm so proud. I'm so proud.
Thank you, Dr. Clunker. Think value, Kia.
Cash for clunkers is better.